even though they usually live in grasslands, not jungles. Male lions have a big bushy mane that makes them look like royalty. Lions love to rest. They can sleep up to 20 hours a day. Lions live in groups called prides. These are like big lion families. The lionesses do most of the hunting, while male lions protect the pride. A lion's roar is super loud. It can be heard up to 8 kilometers away. Lions are fast runners, reaching speeds of up to 80 kilometers per hour for short bursts. Lions mostly live in Africa, but a small group lives in India's Gir forest. Baby lions are called cubs.